Hi everybody, it's Corey. I'm here today with another unboxing. But before I get started with that, I want to do a shout out for Mary Ellen Torres. She had sent me a very cute Christmas card, and I put it in a really safe place to show you guys, and I promise you it's really safe because I can't find it. But also, I'm sorry I'm taking so long to do this Christmas stuff, but I really haven't been feeling well, and things have been also hectic, so anyway. But Debbie from Debbie Jeans is This and That also sent me a really cute card. Isn't that cute? It's got a little hot cocoa cup and with marshmallows floating in it. That is just darling, Debbie. And she also sent me a magnet of a hot cocoa. Thank you so much, Debbie. When I saw you showing how you were making these things, I saw my name on there and I thought, I wonder how many Corys Debbie knows. So I was really excited that I was the one. Okay. And isn't that cute? This cute little magnet. And she sealed it so it'll be kept well. So Debbie, thank you so much. That is such a cute card and magnet. I love it. And what I have today is an unboxing from Newcraftday. This is a new company to me. I just found out that they have asked me to cooperate with them, but this particular package is, I bought it. This is things that are from my purchases. And I'm really excited to get into it. I hope you guys aren't shaking too much. I know my phone is shaking. The first thing I got was this pen, and it has 5 placers in there with it. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It's going to be a struggle to get that out. Because you know I like to struggle with my packages, right? Okay. Here we go. Oh, there's one. Some of these are the clear kind and some are the plastic kind. But isn't that pretty? Blue's one of my favorite colors. And it has just a bit of a teal to it. That it's just beautiful. I don't know if y'all can get the majesty of that all. It's beautiful. And these are the placers. It has a regular tip, 3-placer. I don't know my placers. I don't multi-place that much. But it's got those and the straightener. I do use that straightener. So that's that for the pen. I'm not a pen collector, but might have to say that I am one of these days. So that was that. The pen cost $6.27. All of this stuff I ordered on December 9th, and I got it on the 3rd of January. So it was kind of slow getting here, but considering everything, I think I'm happy with that. This is it's not a counted cross stitch. It's a pre-printed cross stitch from this one it's called Cheerful Christmas, and it's a 14 count Joy Sunday stamped cross stitch. That just is so pretty and magical image. And here is the chart for it. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 back stitch colors. And the symbol on the, because it's Joy Sunday, the symbols that are on the chart are not going to match the symbols on the canvas. It has 2 needles right here, and these are the threads. Oh, there's even a metallic thread in here. It's a gold metallic. That's pretty. So there are 34 colors in this of thread. That's all a Christmassy soft thread. And you know what? Oh, there's the chart. It's on the back. So there's the chart. I used to be upset that Joy Sunday didn't have their chart match what's on the canvas, but there are times when that's a good thing, because some of the canvases I've done before, they actually, the chart wasn't any clearer than the fabric. I keep saying canvas. I guess it's all the same. But anyway, it was good that I could have something completely different to try and figure out what exactly it was that was needed there. So that's the chart. And there's the canvas. It is a 14 count. And you can't really tell what this image is going to be at all. See if I can even figure out which is the top and which is the bottom. Okay, this is how it goes. This is his nose right here, Santa's nose. And I haven't tried 14 count since my eyes were, I had a sack full of debris that was behind my lens. And so they were emptied that sack, and so I can see better. And so I wanted to try 14 count again. So that's how we came to get this 14 count cross stitch. So that was it, my Cheerful Christmas. I just thought that that image of Santa was just adorable. I loved it. And now I get to do it. The next one I got is a DIY cross stitch, and it's of a bee. The edges are serged on that other one. That's something I just keep forgetting to tell you guys. But the edges are serged on that one, which it helps. You don't have to deal with the unraveling. Okay. Here are the, the nearest town of any size to me is called Beeville. And so I'm kind of partial to bees. Oh, look at those colors. Look at the purples. Oh my goodness. Freya is upset with me because I'm talking and I'm not talking to her. So she's sitting here doing this low growl to me. Anyway, so those are the threads. This is the chart. It's on that very sturdy kind of Tyvek-y type fabric material paper, and it is small, but I can read it. It looks like this one's going to be pretty simple. There is some, we're going to have some Gunther interference. Gunther, he wants to climb up on top of my setup for my phone. Well, Gunther, you want your cameo? Come on over. Oh, you're going to come through. Okay. Anyway, so that's, that looks like it's going to be a lot of solid color mixed with some confetti. It looks like the perfect balance to me. This is going to be a 40 by 50. And I never told you my Alzheimer's, man. This one is, this is just a small one. It doesn't tell you the centimeters. It's 126 stitches by 190 stitches. I am failing on this unboxing. Okay. It's a 30 by 21 centimeter for the Santa Claus. And this one is a 40 by 50. The symbols are very large. This is 11 count. The edges are not serged on this one. But I think this one's going to be easy to do. I have the same impression of a little bit of confetti over here, but a lot of solid areas that can be stitched. And so that's my Bumblebee. And the chart. And I will tell you the prices of the Santa Claus was $4.62 and the bee was $8.11. They pretty much go by size on that because of the thread, I think. This was so cute. I had to get it. This is so cute. It's my kittens. It's a DIY cross stitch. You don't know what brand you're getting when you order. The Joy Sunday was marked as Joy Sunday, but the others, you don't know what brand it's going to be. I'm going to pause you and I'm going to let the dogs go out for a minute. Hold on just a minute. Okay, and I'm back. This is DIY cross stitch. This one costs $5.25 and it is also an 11 count. Isn't that cute? You guys, it's so cute. That's my Gunther right there. This could be Persephone right there. It's in the, I'm going to have to get another cat, guys. Okay. Here are the threads. They're nice earthy tones and they are soft. Very soft. There are 24 colors of these threads. And here's the chart. It's also quite small, but it's on that very sturdy fabric or material, or I don't know what you call it, paper. And there's small blocks of solid color, and there's quite a bit. There's a little bit of confetti there. So again, it had 24 colors. Let me check. That might be just 23, and you do the 24th is the back stitch. Yeah, there's 24 colors. So that's my cat. Here's the canvas. And just to sum up, these are the cats that were $5.25 that are adorable. And the Bumblebee that was $8.11. That is also cute. And the Santa that was $4.62, and then my beautiful, beautiful pen that was $6.27. So the pen cost more than two of my cross stitch patterns. I want to thank you all for joining me for the diamond painting effect with Corey. Not much to do with diamond painting today, but I'm loving my stitching, guys. I'm really, really loving my stitching. I want to thank you for joining me, and I want you to take care so I can see you again in the next one. Take care.